all Sunway. Always a Sunway. Then you have the Sunway pyramid that side, and all the Sunway condos, university, everything. Sunway Medical Center, all here. Now we are passing Sunway and coming into Subang now. So this is Subang Medical Center. So this area is called Subang. Left-hand side is Glenmary. All industry area, all shops, car showroom, workshop, things like that. Glenmary. After that part, we finished Subang, right? Now we are in Kelana Jaya. Now you see what the building all there? That area is called Kelana Jaya.
Kelana Jaya.
So it's like Sunway, Subang, Kelana Jaya, then you go Damansara, then you go towards Bangsa, KL. So that on your left, that exit is going to Glenmary. If you keep on going straight, then will be Subang Airport. That used to be the ex-international airport before KLIA.
Oh. What's the name of the airport?
Subang Airport, Subang International Airport. Now all private airplane land there. Kelana Jaya.
Kelana Jaya.
Yeah. See this building here, this are yellowish. I used to have a condo here. Too bad I sold it. Now it's so very expensive. left hand side is Tropicana. And Damansara is on your right.
And on the left side.
Sorry?
On the left.
Tropicana.
Still part of Damansara, is it?
It's an area called Tropicana. Very high-end houses are there.
Oh.
Expensive houses. Big bungalows are there. Tropicana resort or something. Damansara on your left.
On the left.
On Tropicana, you can come to Kota Damansara. Damansara Kiara all will be that side.
Okay.
On the right side. And if you take the road will split now, the highway is split into right and left. Right going to Kuala Lumpur, left going to Sunway, Slim River, Ipoh, straight to Penang, then from there continue straight to Alostar, Kedah, Danau. So this is the highway that goes to the north on the left hand side. Okay. Alostar. Border. After that, you go to Danau, Ajay, then on Son. Two days ago, we had the Hindu New Year. At the same time, in Thailand, they have Songkran water festival. The same thing go to Cambodia also, water festival. So this one whole week is a public holiday in Cambodia.
Wow. One whole week.
1 week, nothing happens in Cambodia. It's all water festival. Really? And we are going towards KL. But so we're coming towards, if you see on your left, a lot of buildings are there.
Is it?
You're coming towards Desa Park City.
Desa Park City.
Very expensive area.
High-end place also.
Huh? Sorry?
Expensive place.
Yeah, very expensive. Very nice, like, you know, that high-end houses all look like it. So they're done in Europe. No fence, no guard, you know, no like, don't have like big fence. It's open concept. Of course, the security is good. on, you can see Sri Hartamas, Solaris, that area there.
Jalan Duta. Plaza Tol.
So if you're coming from north, from Penang coming to KL, you're going to KL, this is the exit point. Jalan Duta Toll. Solaris area.
Solaris.
Mount Kiara. Solaris. Jalan Ipoh and so on this side. Going also to town. Sentul area. Jalan Bahang they call it lah, which goes to Setapak.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is still Central area. Central is the old gangster area. All these low cost flats houses. They used to have it. Even police used to be scared to come here those days. Oh, okay.